I'm American. I'm born American. My family was here in America longer than I have been alive. I'm a converted Muslim. No, I don't want to go back to Christianity. I'm a grown woman. I can make my own decisions. I'm 22, going on 23, and I don't want to go back to Christianity. I dress like this not because I'm oppressed, because I like this. I have confidence, and I'm only trying to impress myself, myself and I, and I do it for the sake of God. Also, I am not bald under here. I have hair. I don't worship Satan. I worship God 5 times. 5 times is mandatory. 5 times for me to pray to God. And no man has made me convert. Not all Muslims are terrorists. Also, we worship one God only, and his name is Allah. If you translate that to English, it literally means the word God. Any other misconceptions people want me to answer that I kind of find ridiculous. During the medieval times, women couldn't get anything without a man, and it was very dangerous to not be with a man, or at least have a man in your life. And most likely, the only person that could validate that would have been if you had a husband, most likely only, and you couldn't get land, food, clothes, a house without a man during the medieval times. Also, back then, during the medieval times, when a woman hit her puberty and started her period, she was considered a woman. And at that time, they considered that that's when you should start your developing and your family, because physically your body has changed from a child to a woman, pretty much. And that is what happened to Aisha. She had her period, and she developed into a woman. And this was the thought, like this all around the world, that women couldn't get anything without a man, and also the thought that when women hit puberty, and had their first period, they were considered a woman, pretty much. And Aisha had her period, and if you didn't have a man, horrible things could happen to you. It was very dangerous.